Nicholas Hely Hutchinson. Born in 1955, this talented individual hails from England and studied at the prestigious St. Martin's School of Art and Bristol Polytechnic, specializing in fine art. Nicholas's artistic journey began to flourish in 1984 when he held his very first solo exhibition. Since then, he has consistently showcased his incredible works in renowned art hubs such as London, Dublin, and even Hong Kong. It's no surprise that his paintings have gained immense popularity, finding their way into numerous private and corporate collections. For over 2 decades, Nicholas has been represented by the esteemed Portland Gallery, a testament to his exceptional talent and artistic prowess. Not only that, but his work has also been featured in various publications, including a range of cards and posters published by the art group, the Cans Down Press, the Almanac Gallery, and Paperlink. Beyond his artistic achievements, Nicholas is a family man. He has 2 grown-up children and shares his life with his loving wife and 2 lurchers in the picturesque county of Dorset. It is within this idyllic setting that he finds much of his inspiration, drawing from the beauty of the surrounding countryside and the captivating allure of the coast. However, Nicholas's creativity knows no bounds, and he often embarks on journeys to his favorite destinations to capture their essence on canvas. Places like Venice, Paris, the west of Ireland, and Cornwall hold a special place in his heart, providing him with endless inspiration and a wealth of subjects to paint. When asked about his artistic process, Nicholas reveals, "I wake up most mornings thinking about painting. Usually, it is something that I have seen the day before. A long straight sunlit road, lined with telegraph poles. A sparrow hawk flips over the hedge. These are possible elements for a picture." It's this keen eye for detail and ability to find beauty in the simplest of things that sets Nicholas apart as an artist.